Hey, Ria. I met someone new today, but the conversation got awkward so fast.
What happened?
He asked about my hobbies. I said, I like movies. Then he said, oh, nice. And silence.
Yeah, that's the problem.
What problem? I answered the question.
You answered, but you didn't continue the conversation. If your conversations feel boring or end quickly, the problem is not your hobbies. It's how you talk about them.
So, what should I say instead?
Most people talk about hobbies in a very basic way. They say things like, I like music. I like reading. I watch movies.
But that's true.
Yes, but it doesn't give the other person anything to talk about. If your answer is too short or too general, the conversation stops there. Let me show you a simple trick, the 3-level formula. Level 1, basic, what most people say. I like music. Level 2, personal, add feelings or reason. I like music because it helps me relax after a stressful day. Level 3, engaging, invite the other person. I've been listening to calm songs lately. What kind of music do you like?
Oh, so I just need to add more detail and ask back?
Exactly. That's how conversations grow. Let's compare. Wrong way. Boring conversation.
My hobby is reading.
Oh, nice. Now, right way. Engaging conversation.
I enjoy reading self-growth books. It actually changed how I think.
Oh, really? Which book had the biggest impact on you? See the difference? One ends the conversation, the other builds it.
I think I make some mistakes too.
We all do. Here are the most common ones. 1. Talking too generally. I like everything. If you like everything, it sounds like nothing. 2. Not asking back questions. Conversation is not a speech. It's a two-way connection. 3. Giving one-word answers.
Yeah, I do that.
And 4. Trying to impress. Don't try to sound cool. Try to be real.
Okay, but what should I ask?
Use simple follow-up questions. How did you start? What do you enjoy most about it? When do you usually do it?
That's easy.
Exactly. Good conversation is simple, not complicated.
So, hobbies really matter this much?
Yes, because hobbies create connection. People don't remember exact words. They remember how you made them feel. Here are some sentences you can use. In my free time, I enjoy. I recently started. It helps me feel. What about you?
This is actually very helpful. But what if someone doesn't have hobbies?
Then talk about your daily interests. I enjoy going for walks in the evening. I like watching videos about self-growth. I spend time learning new things online. You don't need special hobbies. You just need to express yourself better. Here's a simple challenge for you. Today, talk to one person. Don't just say your hobby. Explain why you like it, and ask them back.
Looks like my next conversation won't be awkward anymore.
Exactly. If you want to improve your English and communication skills, keep practicing and keep connecting.
Like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real-life English conversations.